Hello everybody, welcome back to Waterman Customs. Today we're going to be going over how to create a music loop for electronic music in Logic Pro. Logic Pro is awesome. It's a complete collection of sophisticated tools for songwriting, beat making, editing, and mixing, and it's fairly easy to use. You just got to get in there and start spending some time. So the first thing I'm exploring here is I have the tracks and I'm looking through the loops. So I'm scrolling down. Just kind of sampling the different instruments, seeing what I like. This zip chord layers is pretty cool. Drag it to the timeline, and then if you look in the middle, there's these arrows. That's what's going to make it play from the right hand side, where it's continuously looping through that timeline. Next, I'm going to pick another sound. Okay, so we're going to go with the Zippy Synth and the Zoot Swing Beat. The Zoot Swing Beat, I'm going to use that all the way across. I'm going to loop that all the way across so it creates a constant. Okay, now I'm going to the zip chord layers, and I'm adjusting the automation. The quick key for this is Command A or Control A. Command A for Max. As you can see, I'm clicking and creating keyframes on the timeline, and then using that with the automation tool to control the audio levels. So I'll preview it a couple times to make sure as it loops, it's a clean loop, that there's like no hang-ups, or that when it gets to the end, it smoothly transitions back to the beginning. Sometimes if loops aren't created in tempo or in beat, you can tell when it starts and stops. It'll have like a sudden start or a sudden stop. So you want to stay away from that. Unless that's what you're going for. So I like the sound of this yeah bass. It actually kind of reminds me of like a frog. Slide this over just a little bit. So coming back in here with the automation, going to set some keyframes on the audio levels, then click and drag, make some hills and valleys in there. we're set to bounce the project. You're gonna pick your file formats, and you can pick the bars, how many bars it bounces. I'm gonna go AAC, higher quality, uncompressed. Save the file again. And then I want to check my desktop to make sure it's saved, or that it's saved in the path where I can find it. That's always important. Okay, and there it is, Frogger M4A. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was informative. You just got to get in there and mess around and try to learn, try to practice. Thanks for watching.